Hello everyone, it's Ashley. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be making a card using this Merry and Bright die from Sizzix. Now this die is a freebie that you can get if you make a purchase on scrapbook.com today. So I'm going to make a card just to give some ideas of what you can do with this die. So my first step is going to be cutting out this die on the center of this gray cardstock. That way I can use this cardstock for my card base and you won't see that because I'm going to have things on top of it. So I have it cut out there. And remember to save your eye on the bright. Otherwise you have to cut it again, which isn't a problem, but that's always something that I always just push to the side and forget about. So I decided on this paper pad for this card. So these are cool tones. You get 5 sheets of each. They're 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and it's a smooth cardstock. So I've gone ahead and taken out 1 sheet of each color cardstock and cut it down to 1/2 inch for each one. And I've done that several times because I'm going to be creating a background using the strips. So to create that background, I needed my cardstock base to be sticky. So I've taken the Sizzix permanent adhesive and it just comes in sheets. You can tear it off, put it down, or actually cut it down to size, put it on top of your paper and tear off the back sheet. And then you have a sticky piece of paper. So I've gone ahead and done that here and you can see the result, what it looks like. And this I cut down to 4 by 5 1/4, so it's just slightly smaller, so I can back that onto my gray cardstock that I cut the Merry and Bright out of earlier. So next I'm going to take my Merry and Bright die cut and run it through my Xyron Create a Sticker Mini. If you are not familiar with this, you just put your cardstock through and pull it. That's all you have to do, and then tear it off and you will get your die cut sticky on the back. Next I've die cut out this circle stitch die. This paper is pearlized. It's a bright white pearly paper. And I'm going to adhere that onto my card base with my paper strips. And then this is what my Merry and Bright sentiment will go onto. I will link to everything I can below so you can shop at your leisure. And I will be using affiliate links, which is no extra cost to you, but it does help give me a small commission to keep doing what I love to do. So now I'm going to lay down my Merry and Bright die, and it's essentially a sticker that you're putting down now. So these cards would be a lot of fun to make in bulk because they are pretty simple. It would even be something if you had older children that could do it with you. I think that this is a great way to make homemade cards for Christmas this year to send to loved ones. So now I'm just layering up all my mats and getting everything adhered together. You can see how quick and easy this can come together. And this way you don't even see that Merry and Bright that was die cut out. Next, I decided I wanted to embellish this card a little bit with some sequins. Definitely not necessary if you were going to make these in bulk, but I just wanted to give this card a little bit more shine. So I am just kind of mapping out where I want all of my embellishments to go. And this glue is great for that. It has a fine tip. It dries a little bit tacky, so it gives you that time to map it out and put everything where you want it. But it does dry clear, which is wonderful. So these sequins that I'm using are no hole sequins, and they are round instead of faceted, and they do have a little bit of an iridescence to it, which I really like because it really seems to pick up those blues and purples that are on this card. Be sure to check out scrapbook.com right now. They have some amazing deals. You can get this for free, and I will have the link in my description below to shop from. Like I said, I use affiliate links, which is no extra cost to you, but it helps me keep doing what I love to do. If you liked this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube page for more crafty videos. Have a great day.